In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the space key in Confluence. To start, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you feel comfortable using. Once you have your browser open, head to the search bar, which is typically at the top of the screen. Here, you want to type in Confluence and hit Enter. This will take you to the Confluence website where we can dive into the next steps. Now, if you already have a Confluence account, you'll want to go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't yet have an account, no worries. You can sign up for one for free. Be sure to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. It only takes a few minutes, and you'll be all set to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Confluence space that you're interested in. This might require you to browse through your dashboard or search for the space name if you have access to multiple spaces. After you find and open the space in question, you should now be viewing it within your web browser. Here's the crucial part. Direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser window. You'll see the URL for the web page you're on. In this URL, there's a particular segment that you need to focus on. It appears directly after spaces. This section of the URL is known as the space key. It's essentially a unique identifier, a short code that Confluence uses to recognize the specific space you are viewing. The space key is particularly handy when you need to reference a space in documentation or when you're organizing multiple spaces within the platform. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to find the space key for any Confluence space. Remember that this space key is unique and specific to each Confluence space, so make sure you take note of it if necessary. It will come in handy for navigation and when setting up integrations or third-party applications that might require it. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any further questions, or if something didn't quite work out as planned, feel free to revisit any of the steps mentioned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks on making the most out of Confluence and its powerful features.